Hi everyone, I want to share with you this amazing pastel portrait painting tutorial. If you are a beginner or you are an experienced artist or you're finding it so difficult using pastel, subscribe and stay tuned for more art and tutorial like this on this channel. Without wasting much time, as you can see how I begin the work and gradually just transforming the picture into reality. So this is how we do it here at the art. If you have somebody that's finding it difficult in creating pastel, or if you can recommend my work to anybody that's interested, um, this is a wonderful opportunity on this YouTube account. So, to you out there that is struggling with pastel, I could have dropped the pastel or mentioned their name here, but this company didn't pay me for advert. But if you find it interesting and you really want to get those material, you can also drop a comment in the section, or maybe I'll drop a link down so that you can chat me on WhatsApp if you want something, want some material, or I can explain more, or if you want a personal class, I'm still open. So as you can see how this portrait have been coming up so well. Actually this painting took me like I to be honest, it took me like 2 days. But if I'm less busy and I don't have something to do, like a work like this can take me only 5 hours, as you can see. So we are done with the portrait and you can see the finishing work. Hope you like it and subscribe and stay tuned for more. We don't miss. These are the shots why I was drawing, I was taking them so that you can believe that actually I drew it with my hand. So if you find it interesting, stay tuned for this channel for more tips. It's not only this pastel, I do oil painting on canvas, charcoal pencil and abstract painting. So I think with there you can get more idea, and with these little tips can help you elevate your skills to the next level. To the last advice I will give you to upcoming, just be consistent, keep drawing, keep creating. I won't start like you if you're still finding your way out, but with creating every day, I love it. I so much love this drawing. I have passion for it, so today I'm able to create works like this and people are appreciating. So you too can do it like that. So I think we come to the end of today's tutorial. Don't forget to follow and drop a comment how you feel about this amazing pastel portrait. See you in my next video. Follow and subscribe for more tips. You can drop your comment to the second section. Love you.